Welcome to Liquid Staking ASTR on Bifrost. First log in to Bifrost Dapp. Switch the network to Polkadot in the top right corner. Select vStaking from the left sidebar. Select vASTR. Wait for ASTA network to connect. Click across in to bridge your ASTR to Bifrost Polkadot network. Enter the amount of ASTR you want to cross in. Confirm destination Bifrost address. Click Cross in to confirm and sign the transaction. Cross in pending. ASTR has successfully crossed into Bifrost Polkadot network. Refresh the page. You can now see 200 ASTR displayed in the balance. Please enter the amount of ASTR you want to mint. Click Stake Liquid Stake ASTR. Confirm and sign the transaction. Waiting for mint. You will find detailed data on ASTR liquidity staking above. Select a swap from the left sidebar. Click Pools. Click ASTR, vASTR Pool and add. Enter the amount of ASTR you want to add. Click Add Liquidity. Confirm and sign the transaction.